So I'm really loving Google Data Studio and have been playing around with it quite a bit. Been using it to create some interactive dashboards for some of our clients. One of the things that I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to leverage a metric that I created based on a segment to do some calculations. And so here's what I've done to come up with that. So I'm going to show you a really simple dashboard here. I'm going to add 3 widgets to my dashboard. I'm going to use the scorecard. So I'm going to add 3 of these in here. And I'll walk you through kind of the scenario here. So I'm going to go ahead and report on sessions. So I want to get total site sessions, and we can rename these so that it's more clear. So I'll go ahead and call this one total site sessions. And then for this one, I also want to use sessions, but I want to be able to segment that to only sessions that completed a form. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to add a specific segment. And so I know my segment is called successful address lookup. So I'll go ahead and add that. So now I have my sessions metric, and that is now segmented by users that completed a form. And again, I'll go ahead and rename this. We'll call this form complete sessions. And that's all fairly straightforward. Now what I want to do here is I want to be able to create a metric that is a conversion rate. So how many sessions are ending in a form completion. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select blended or blend data. And I'm going to use 2 data sources. So for my initial data source, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change page views, and I'm going to go up here and select just sessions because I want total site sessions. So I will just choose that. I'll take away page views. And now what I want to do is I want to be able to create another sessions metric that is leveraging a segment. So I'm going to click add another data source. It's going to be my same data source that I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and add a metric. Again, I want sessions. So we'll go ahead and select that, but now we want to use our segment. So we use the same segment that we used previously in our dashboard. We'll go ahead and add that. And we'll go ahead and rename this one so when we go to build our new metric, we know which one we're using. So again, we'll call this form complete sessions. Go ahead and save that. So now over here you see that we have 2 metrics in our blend data. We have sessions and we have sessions that we've segmented that we're calling form complete sessions. Go ahead and save that. And now what we can do is we can come in here to metrics and we can actually create a new metric. So I'm going to come down here to create field and we'll call this form conversion percent. And then we'll go ahead and put in a formula. So I'm going to choose form complete sessions. I'm going to divide that by total site sessions. I think it's just called sessions. We'll go ahead and change this to a percent and we will apply it. So just a really quick way that you can use the blended data feature to create a new field in your data set, leveraging an existing metric that has been segmented for your reporting. Hope you found this helpful and enjoy using Google Data Studio.